on my 2014 Silverado. This right here is the culprit. And I pulled off the connector. Bam. Pressed it in right here. Pulled it up. Got it out the way. Now, let's see. We're going to undo that one. And that one up there, 5/16 or flathead. Undo that cap, because we done ran it. So I undid the cap. It has some pressure in it. You don't want that stuff, you know, spewing out everywhere. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take that off. All right, so I didn't have a deep well, but I got a 19 wrench. Got it on there, and I'm just loosening it up. Get ready, because you're probably gonna lose some coolant. All right, I got it to the point I can loosen it by hand. Get ready, it's gonna come out. It's probably gonna be spicy too. Oh, there it goes. Why can't I start it all of a sudden? All right, now just tighten it up. So I'm gonna tighten it all the way up now. Everything else is reverse steps. Hopefully it helped y'all out. Yeah, guys, as far as reading the temp goes, it's working just fine. But it will not get over like 180 or 190, whatever it's at right now, 185. It I think my thermostat's sticking. I think it's stuck open, so I guess I'll be replacing that as well. So, but that sensor, it is reading now, so that sensor did fix it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope it helped y'all out. I guess I'll be doing a thermostat next, so I'll be sure to get a video of that. See y'all next time.